that M4. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are headed to a car meet / car show. Hopefully we can see some dope whips, you know what I'm saying? I didn't get to take the Beamer today because, you know, it's kind of a far drive, so I had to leave it at home. And I'm taking a daily today. So yeah, yesterday I tried to record a video for y'all, a little nice somatic car wash video, but living in Arizona, you know, if your phone's outside, it tends to overheat. Babe, I got the AC got to be off so they can hear me. Oh God. Okay. I'm in this intro short. It's kind of hot. I try to turn the AC off so y'all can hear me, but see y'all in the next clip when we at the car show. Cross your fingers for some dope whips. We getting close. That turbo sound. Damn. Oh shit. We wasn't supposed to turn. We wasn't supposed to. That's why you should have recorded drive. We got the Hellcats. Got the biker crew. Damn. That was so loud. The girls popping out with they whips. Curb killer. GTRs. Is that Finding Nick? No, wait. That's his boy coming to the rescue. Look at that teamwork. Got the Corvettes. I'll be talking with the finally found what we're looking for. M4s. So look at this BMW. He has an OnlyFans plate.
It's already pretty big, so.
It's a nice color. They trying to find the owner of the car. They finna tow it. That is not a parking spot. We got some Hondas down here. This one's super low. Look at this boat. I used to love these Lexuses. Is that how you would say it, Lexuses? These oh shit. Electric bike. Damn. Oh, shout out my boy Mike. Everyone tell Mike fix the G37. Look at this Mustang. This shit's hella slammed. This shit only looks cool. I know the ride on this is. Look at that. Look how deep that shit is.
You can probably fit your fucking finger.
I could sit in there. Look how deep the rims are. I ain't never seen a Mustang with a wide body and stanced out. Damn. Got the ZL1. Got the Z's. Okay. Damn, look at this car. This shit is sick. You got the Acuras. When I was younger, I used to always want a Honda, like a 97 Civic. I forget the series though, like the EK, EH, or whatever it is. That was like my dream car back in the day. Now we ride in Beamers. That one sound kind of weird. Oh, look at this E46 coming up. That's what I want. Damn. The satin wraps. The Scion with the satin wrap. That's hard. I like that. Should I satin wrap, satin black, the E36? Imagine. Oh, dude with the electric bike cruising. Look at the Acura. That's a nice color. This looks like a color called Laguna Seca Blue for BMWs. A little bit. That's dope. You got the whole biker gang. Is it a Trackhawk? This is not a Trackhawk. You got me. The biker crews are out here deep. We got an M5. Okay. Bro, imagine I take this engine out of here and throw it in my E36. I'll be doing numbers.
Let's talk numbers.
That V10. Bro. Cosmos M3. It's not an M3. You must have another one. V10 LOL. That's dope. I've been trying to find a toy car in my car for so long.
What do we do?
We found what we was looking for. We got the E36 squad. I always see E36s with this wrap on it. I don't know what it is. It's like probably some racing crew. I always see the E36s with this wrap. Damn. That shit's clean. I need his mirrors and his wing. That's hard. This is the wing I'm getting. This whole thing. I need this right here, and I need the mirrors. Perfect.
Yes, excellent.
We got gold G-Wagons pulling up. We got G35s, G37s. We got Zs. Somebody tell Mike to fix his freaking car. I found the yellow E36. Look at that. It's nice. It's a wrap. It's a yellow wrap. Okay. That's clean. I should have drove my shit over here. I would have had the best E36 out here. Most likely. I'm so glad we got some Beamers pulling up. Look at this old M5, I think. Is that an M5? That is not an M5. It's a 5 Series though. Bro, people got some crazy ass wraps. Look at this Chrysler with this crazy wrap. This is like 300 wrap. Have y'all seen the movie 300? It's called Galaxy?
Yep.
Oh, that's tight. Oh, he has like shooting stars and stuff.
Yeah, I got 4 of them.
Yeah, this meet was pretty cool. Not too much going on. They got some nice cars. Oh, my man got 2 12s back here. He finna turn the block up. Oh, that's clean. He got a big ass exhaust pipe. We got a blue E36. Oh, he drifts.
Are his wheels like this shot?
So yeah, so when he turns, his wheels turn like all the way over. That's super clean for a drift car. Got the blue lights on the inside. It's hella dark, y'all can't even see. That car twerking. Man, it's a clean ass R33. Hey Moss, I'm gonna need you to get your whip right. They got R33s out here. Got the that's the G80 actually. That's not an M4. It's a G80 M3. All right, y'all. That's gonna be the end of this vlog. We've seen some dope whips. I don't know. In Arizona, they don't wild out too much like how they do in Texas and LA. But we got some dope content. Seen some nice cars. The bikers are wilding out the most. Yeah, next time I'm gonna bring my car because I feel like my car would have turned some heads for sure. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we out. And we out, y'all. Oh, another G35. Hey, look at this line to this damn car show, or Carmeet. It's going all the way down. Everybody trying to see some nice cars. That's it. Hey, finding Nick, tell me how you record and drive at the same time. Oh, look, another E36 convertible. What's that coming?
I'm just trying to chase the cheese, bring it back to the hoe. I mean, back to the coast where I reside and they know. Be by my first name, not my nickname. I've been cruising for